Constipation can be a real bummer, pun intended. Luckily, nature has provided us with delicious, effective drinks to help keep things moving along naturally. Whether you're dealing with a rare blockage or looking to add a gentle boost to your digestion, here are 5 tasty options that can help you get things flowing. 1. Warm lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is like giving your digestive system a little wake-up call. Lemons are high in vitamin C and contain citric acid, which can stimulate the intestines and encourage bowel movements. The warm water helps to hydrate the digestive tract, making it easier for stool to pass. For an extra kick, add a pinch of sea salt to further stimulate digestion. Just be sure to drink it on an empty stomach for maximum effect. 2. Prune juice. Prunes are famous for their natural laxative effect, and prune juice is no different. It's rich in fiber and sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that helps draw water into the intestines, softening the stool and easing constipation. Just a small glass in the morning is often enough to get things moving. But be careful, prune juice is powerful, so start with a small amount if you're not used to it. 3. Aloe vera juice. This miracle plant isn't just for sunburns. Aloe vera juice is packed with enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that can aid digestion and act as a gentle laxative. The juice contains a compound called anthraquinone, which can stimulate peristalsis, the movement of your intestines, and ease constipation. Make sure to drink a small amount to avoid potential stomach cramping, and consult with your doctor if you're on medication, as it can interact with some medicines. 4. Ginger tea. Ginger is a natural stimulant for the digestive system and can help with constipation by increasing motility, meaning it helps move things along in the intestines. It also aids in reducing bloating and gas, making it an ideal drink for those suffering from digestive discomfort. Brew some fresh ginger tea with a slice or 2 of raw ginger in hot water. Let it steep for a few minutes and sip it warm. The warmth of the tea also helps to relax the intestines, which can speed up relief. 5. Apple cider vinegar and water. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps bulk up stool and makes it easier to pass. Drinking a tablespoon of ACV mixed in a glass of warm water can help relieve mild constipation and improve gut health. ACV also encourages the growth of good bacteria in your gut, which is essential for regular bowel movements. For taste, add a bit of honey and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Each of these natural laxatives offers its unique benefits, and adding them to your routine can help you maintain a healthy digestive system. Keep in mind that hydration is key for all of these to work effectively. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your digestive health. For more health hacks and tips on staying regular, don't forget to check out our previous videos. Enjoy your journey to better digestion.